If you're looking to make something different with tofu, then these recipes are going to be a game changer. I'm going to make 3 recipes from this block of tofu. I know it's not huge, yeah, but I did it okay. So lovely, sit back and let me show you the magic I made with this tofu. First, I'm going to cut some of the tofu into small cubes and set aside. This is what I have and I'm going to use this across 2 recipes. For the last piece, I'm going to grate this into strips. You want tofu strips like this at the end, okay? So once you are done, transfer this to a plate and set aside. Now in a pan, add in some oil, allow that heat for a bit and go in with the grated tofu. Stir for a while and add in some coriander and chili pepper. And guys, if you want to make your own tofu at home, I have a very good recipe on that. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, and if you're interested, you can check that out. For extra flavor, I'll add in a bit of light soy sauce, okay? Saute this until it turns slightly brown, then remove from the heat. In the same pan, I'll add in some oil, go in with some onions, chopped garlic, and saute this until it turns golden. To add more flavor to the tofu, because sometimes it becomes quite bland and dry, I'm going to add some tomato puree, not so much, okay? But also if you have some leftover stew, you can use this in place of that. It also works well, yeah. Cook this for a while, add in some salt, then toss in your vegetables. Here I'm using some onions, carrots and lettuce. I'll stir that in and add in a little bit of water to bring everything together. Now adding the cooked tofu, mix everything well, then you end up with something like this. This will be the protein filling, okay? And if you're still wondering what we are making at this point, don't be okay. We're actually making some tofu shawarma, and this will be the filling, okay, the tofu filling. And so let's go ahead and make the sauce for the shawarma. For the sauce, combine some mayonnaise, ketchup and salt, mix well, and the sauce is ready. Yeah, so simple. Now to make this shawarma, first I'm going to spread some sauce on the wraps. And oh, these wraps are actually store-bought, but you can make your own if that's what you want. Add some lettuce, go in with the sauteed tofu, and top it up with some tomatoes and onions. Then you're also going to drizzle some sauce on top and go in and roll this up. I'm not a pro at this, so pardon me if this didn't come out so well. If you're still watching at this point, then means you enjoyed this recipe. Why don't you just give this video a thumbs up? Thank you so much. After rolling, I went ahead and toasted these wraps again, and this is what I had at the end. This tofu shawarma was juicy, tasty, and the perfect way to turn your tofu into something amazing. Try it out and I bet you'd love it. The next recipe I'll show you is this delicious tofu stir fry. I'll start off by spicing the tofu chunks. I'll go in with some chili pepper, salt and cumin powder. Mix that up and allow that to marinate for a while. In a pan, I'll heat up some oil, fry the tofu until golden, then remove from the pan. Add in a bit more oil and saute some garlic and ginger. Then toss in your vegetables. So here I'm using some carrots, onions, lettuce and cabbage, okay? Stir for a bit, then season with some salt, chili pepper and soy sauce. Add the fried tofu back, mix everything, then that is it. The tofu stir fry is ready. This is so simple to make, yeah? I'm going to dish this out and garnish with some spring onions. And guys, this is what we have, okay? This tastes amazing on its own, but you can pair it up with some rice or greens, and this is the perfect way to spice up your meals. You'll definitely love it if you try, so make sure you do, okay? Now this tofu curry hits differently, so let me show you how I made it, okay? First I'm going to heat up some oil. To this I'll add some onions and saute until it turns golden and caramelized. If today is your first time here, you're welcome. I'm Stella and I share amazing and innovative recipes. So if you enjoyed this video or if this is what you love, consider subscribing and make sure to turn on your notification so you don't miss any videos from me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. You're the best. Let's add some chopped tomatoes and allow that cook for a while. Then add in some mixed spices, turmeric and a pinch of salt. Let that cook for a bit, then pour in some water and bring everything to a gentle simmer. So while this is cooking, I'm going to go in with the last bit of the tofu which I have already spiced. Now allow this cook on medium heat and after 15 minutes add in some yogurt. So this yogurt I've actually diluted with some water just to make it a little lighter, okay? Stir that in and allow that cook for a while. So for the finishing touch here, I'm going to sprinkle some chopped herbs, which is some fresh coriander and basil. Stir that gently in, let it simmer for a bit, and voila, your tofu curry is ready. This is so simple to make, not so much complicated, yeah. This tofu curry actually paired well with the rice. It was a game changer. I really loved it and my friends also loved it. So I know you're also going to love it if you make it. These recipes were so delicious and versatile, and I hope that you found them interesting and you're actually going to try them out. Let me know if you do and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!